Installing the adapter for Mitsubishi 7-pin. Step 1. Pull out the plug. Locate the vehicle's original 7-pin plug, then unplug it. Step 2. Connect the Y cable. Take the Y cable from the package. Connect the vehicle's original 7-pin connector to the 7-pin port on the Y cable. Plug the Y cable's 7-pin connector into the vehicle's original port. Take the adapter from the package. Attach the Y cable's 8-pin circular connector to the adapter's port. Step 3. Connect the adapter to the dash cam. Remove the 3M tape backing on the adapter and mount the adapter to the windshield. Connect the adapter to your dash cam using provided cable. Finally, your adapter and dash cam are now ready for use.